the sound of this. Let's go. Hi there everyone. Today we are driving a 2020 Honda Odyssey Elite on our channel. I want to say a huge thank you to Aidan over at MemberCar of Rockville and Rockville, Maryland for providing me this car. All this information will be in the right hand corner side of the screen, so if you're interested in purchasing this car or some other cool cars, check them out. But let's get this Odyssey fired up. I gotta say, this is my first time driving this body style, and I gotta say, I'm so impressed just by the cabin and this whole car. But let's go take a look outside. So this van right here is your Sienna competitor. It's a comfortable, spacious car you can get for the family. They've been out for a long time now, and it's really been interesting to see them evolve. It's got a fairly interesting style compared to a lot of other minivans. It looks much more sporty, aggressive. Automatic sliding door, and here's the cabin. We got beautifully appointed leather seats with the tilts, adjustments. And let's hop in here. We got the handle. If we want to close it, just press this. It's automatic. We got a sunshade. All the materials here feel very nice. Well, this is hard to touch, but you know, the cabin is very nice. We got our outlets, HDMI cable. We even have the screen here, cabin camera, a separate climate system for the rear with different modes, a huge armrest with plenty of cup holders, reclinable seats, captain chairs. Feels awesome, let me tell you that. I like it a lot. Let's raise that up. Oh, I guess like that. There we go. Okay. Let's step outside. Everything here is automatic. Automatic trunk. We also got the tow hitch. Now if we fold these seats, we're gonna have a ridiculous amount of space just for everything. Even now you can put a lot of stuff here. Let's check out the engine bay. So here under the hood, you're gonna find Honda's famous 3.5 liter VTEC. Not sure as to specifically how much horsepower this has, probably like 280, 290, that would be my guess. But it's a phenomenal engine that sounds beautiful, very reliable too. All right, well, let's go hop inside, talk about some features, and go take this van for a drive. So hopping in here, we are greeted to some ultra comfortable front seats with lots of shoulder room, memory seats, automatic door open close, lane departure, park assist, collision warning, auto braking, traction, heated and ventilated seats in an Odyssey, dual zone climate, cabin watch. You can see everything in the cabin, so if you have kids in the back and you want to see how they're doing, you can always see that. But notice it just has the cabin camera, no camera here. We got a sunroof, we got a navigation system. It's powered by Garmin. You'd find these at Costco in like 2007. It's just a standalone navigations. We got FM, Sirius XM radio, apps, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, of course. All right, we're gonna turn off the auto start stop. We got a lot of storage here, cup holders, plenty of storage. Power outlet, Blu-ray disc. All right, so here we have the adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel, voice control. Let's do a wiper test. We also have a front climate menu. Okay, horn test is done. Let's start to back up. Quality isn't bad. You can also look right under you too, in case there's kids or like pets. All right, let's get started on our drive. So right off the bat, I can feel how nice and smooth this rides. Let's take our first corner. Surprisingly sharp steering for a minivan. And after 5,500, it just sings. Beautiful melody. Brakes feel solid. Very good turn-in, again, for a minivan. It honestly feels more like a sporty car rather than a minivan so far, with all of its characteristics and driving dynamics. I love the sound of this. This is incredible. Very athletic and super refined for this class. The cabin is quiet. You also don't feel any speed whatsoever. Unbelievable. Surprisingly easy to drive this Odyssey. Just the pickup. Visibility is not bad at all. And you don't have to even apply any throttle here. Just like 10-20% and you're ready. Up to 70. Need some more power? Press and go. At 82, it feels like we're going 40, 35. So far from driving this Odyssey, I want to say it feels very German to me. It feels more like a German car rather than a Japanese car, by all its just driving characteristics. super impressed with the performance of this Odyssey, honestly. What a magnificent powerhouse. And when you think it's about to run out of breath, it keeps going and going and going and going. And it spins like almost to 7,000. How amazing is that? Phenomenal. Can't wait to measure the 0 to 60 on this. I definitely think it's going to be good. Well, let's head down to Mexico and do some acceleration testing up next. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Let's see our times. So 0 to 60 came in 7.61 seconds. 0 to 62 in 7.99 seconds. 1/8 mile in 10.21 at 72.71. 40 to 80 in 7.64. Quarter mile in 15.56 at 92.86. So very good trap speed. And then, of course, 60 to 100 in 10.64 and the 0 to 100 in 18.25. So there's your performance for this car. And here by RaceBox, we did 1582 at 93.6. Okay, very nice, very nice. Well, to summarize up this test drive, I've really enjoyed driving this Odyssey. Not only is it super quick, but it's also very enjoyable and athletic and nimble. It just has such a good punch to it. Honestly, this is a perfect balance of power and acceleration. It's actually got more power than I would even want to use.